Is he crushing you? Ethan, get up. Stop crushing your brother. No. Aww. Is he having a cuddle? Why don't you give him a nice cuddle? It's okay. Give Ethan a cuddle. And you can get your sheepy on the other side. Careful. Did you get him?
Yes.
Now give Ethan a cuddle. Aw. He likes that. He likes your cuddles. Give him another cuddle. No? You just gonna cuddle Sheepy? Okay. Are you still in the tent? Oh, you got a dummy on your foot.
I got the green dummy. Where's this dummy gone? Where's this dummy?
I think it's in the tent.
It's gone. It's gone. It's gone.
That's okay. We can find it in a bit.
It's in here.